Entering the giveaway is simple. Giveaway time. What you will win. First winner, a pair of shoe. Second winner, any 2 t-shirt/hoodie short. Third to fourth winner, 1 t-shirt plus 28% code. 1 follow at exquisite.com_official and at exquisite.com_qc. 2 like this post, tag your friend and comment the shoes you want. 3 invite 1 friends into our Discord, link in bio. 4 join our Discord and enter giveaway channel and react the post. This giveaway will end on May 30th. We'll announce the winner in our account and Discord. Please follow us and join our Discord. Please do not respond to any other accounts claiming to be me. Please be sure to complete the above entry steps and keep screenshots before the end of the event, otherwise you will not be able to become a winner. Best of luck to all participants. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on what we have in store for you today. One of the best parts about ckshoes.com is the exceptional quality and the latest styles available at unbeatable prices. Whether you're looking for that perfect pair of shoes to make a statement or some stylish apparel to keep you on trend, ckshoes.com has got you covered. And the best part? They often have amazing sales and discounts that you definitely don't want to miss. Speaking of discounts, if you're looking to save even more, you can join their Discord or WhatsApp groups for exclusive deals. Just click the link in the description below to join. Plus, use the code TBP for an additional 15% off your purchase. And that's not all, ckshoes.com is running a massive sale right now. So, click that link and start shopping. Now, let's talk about something super exciting, our giveaway. Wrapped gift: we're giving away some amazing prizes, a pair of shoes for the first winner, any 2 t-shirts, hoodies, or shorts for the second winner, and 1 t-shirt plus a 28% discount code for the third and fourth winners. Isn't that awesome? Please make sure to follow all the rules to be eligible. The winners will be announced on ckshoes.com's Instagram account and Discord channel, so don't forget to follow and join their community. And a quick reminder, beware of any other accounts claiming to be us. Always double-check before sharing your details. That's all for today, folks. Good luck to everyone entering the giveaway, and happy shopping at ckshoes.com. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the Business Promote, and click the link in the description to visit ckshoes.com and join the Discord or WhatsApp group for that exclusive 25% off code. Until next time, stay stylish and stay tuned for more awesome deals and giveaways. See you soon.